welcome back to my channel. This is Rakhi Singh and I'm back after a really long break. So I had a marriage in my family and I was super busy with all that stuff, and I got so many compliments from all of you on Instagram because I shared the pictures and stories on my Instagram, whatever the outfit I wore during this wedding, and I got so many compliments. And thank you for making my day. And if you want to see what I wore, you can check on my Instagram. For that you need to follow me, and this is my handle, go and follow it. And as you guys know that my voice is not at all clear, so I don't think I can stretch it anymore. Let's move to the video. But before that, if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to give my video a big fat thumbs up. And today's video is a sweatshirt haul because I got a request for it, so here it is. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, that's it. Now let's move to the video without any further ado. So here comes the first thing, which is a blue printed sweatshirt. It comes with a hoodie, long sleeve, straight hem, and the fabric of this one is cotton, which is going to be super comfy. Also from inside it has a teddy fabric which will keep you warm at the same time. The size I'm wearing is quite loose, as you guys can see, but the color is really nice. I love the soothing color, and the hoodie is a perfect size. Sometimes this happens, when we buy a sweatshirt but the hoodie is not good in size, but this one is really sufficient. I really liked it, and you can pair it with blue jeans and that's it, you are good to go. Coral pink self-designed sweatshirt has a round neck, long sleeves, ribbed hem, and the fabric of this one is 100% polyester, and it's a quilted sweatshirt. It's not that warm from inside. I love the color of this one, and as you guys know, winter is all about bright colors. That's why I really like this sweatshirt, and it's perfect for office and college going girls. You can style it up with overcoats or jackets and boots, and that's it, you are good to go. Moving to the next one, which is a navy blue solid sweatshirt with printed detail, has a round neck, long sleeves, straight hem, and two side pockets. The fabric of this one is fleece. I'm not sure what fabric is this, but it looks like cotton. And from inside it's a teddy fabric, so which is really soft again, which will keep you warm in this winter. And you need not to wear a jacket over it because definitely it will keep you warm. And right now this one is out of stock, but Fort Collins have many other sweatshirts with different color combinations which are really nice and very inexpensive too. Moving to the next one, which is a maroon pearl studded sweatshirt, has a round neck, long sleeves and straight hem. This one comes without a pocket and hoodie, and the fabric of this one is cotton. This one is perfect for party look actually, like for Christmas and New Year. You can style it with nice skirt and jeans and with overcoat and you are good to go. 。 . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 . . . . . . . 。 . . 。 . 。 . 。 . . 。 .
。 . 。 . 。 .
。 . . 。 . 。 .
。 .
one is this black solid sweatshirt which has a hoodie, long sleeves, kangaroo pocket and straight hem. The fabric of this one is 100% cotton. I love the color. Actually, obviously everyone loves black, and you can style this one again with overcoats and jackets. I love everything about this one, the price, the size, and it's from the brand Roadster. As you guys all know, Roadster has a really nice collection and all of them are really good quality. I have been wearing Roadster sweatshirts since really long time and I love all of them. No color wash off, no size problem. Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect about the Roadster cloth. But I just don't like this hoodie of this black sweatshirt. Actually, it's not just perfect size, but if you want, you can style it with coats and jackets, and yeah, it's good to go actually. Another black printed sweatshirt with a hoodie, long sleeves, two side pockets, and the fabric of this one is cotton. I really love this one. It's kind of my favorite. It's very comfy and the size of the hoodie is just perfect fit. It's very stylish yet warm. You can style this one with a blue denim and boots for the perfect day look. Moving to the next one, which is a black solid sweatshirt, has a round neck, long sleeves, straight hem with two pockets, and the fabric of this one is cotton blend, which is super cozy and comfy. You can style it with black jeans and heels for the party look, and at the same time you can also style it for casual weekends with your pants. Love the white stripe detailing on this, and it will keep you warm in this chilly winter, and I really love the color combination. Last but not the least, pink solid sweatshirt with a round neck, long sleeves and straight hem. The fabric of this one is cotton, and this one is not exactly a sweatshirt because this is kind of a t-shirt fabric, so it's little warm but not exactly like a sweatshirt. But if you like this baby pink color for this winter, definitely you can go for this one, and you can pair this one with overcoats or jackets, and that's it. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give my video a big fat thumbs up, and thank you for watching guys. Bye.